Hi everyone, and welcome to tutorial from Publitio about LearnDash. My name is Nemanja, I'm one of the co-founders, and we've been asked a lot how to make LearnDash work with Publitio. So I wanted to create a quick lesson inside of the LearnDash how to do it. So in order to make it work, you have few options. First option is to go into Publitio, find the file you want to use, and click copy URL. And then go back to LearnDash, and you need to insert video, and then insert from URL and paste the link to Publitio's video. Now, let me explain what's happening right now. Now the LearnDash is going to use a default player from WordPress, and you have options to control it on the right side. So for example, if I want to enable autoplay, I can enable it in here and click update, and then okay, it's already autoplaying as you saw. Now if I disable autoplay and click update, my preview page will refresh and the video will be stopped. Okay. Now you have option also to enable muted and for example autoplay. And let's click update, and the video is playing, but the mute is enabled. This will give you ability to control the player. The bad side is there is a download button that is generated by Google Chrome, so it has nothing to do with Publitio. I don't know if there is an option to disable it like this. So you have to figure that out through WordPress, so it's not something that I can give you an answer on, but I have alternative how you can add videos into LearnDash. So the main thing is to go and to select custom HTML, and by selecting custom HTML you're able to insert the iframe code. So go to Publitio, click more options, Embed player codes. In this case, I'm going to use just copy iframe. So when I go back to my website, I paste the code and click update. What's going to happen? My video is going to show up in here. So now, as you can see, you have a different thumbnail. You can edit that thumbnail on Publitio. So I'm just going to click close, and I'm going to click view. Actually, I need to edit the file. Okay, so if I want to change a thumbnail, I need to select it in here. So I'm just gonna, for ease use this thumbnail. So one of my files on Publitio, and when I refresh the page, yeah, there is a different thumbnail. So that's how you set it. So now one other option that you can do, you have option to select Embed player code, and you have option to select player. So I'm going to select a landing pages player because I know how it works. So I'm going to click copy iframe. I'm going to replace this one with new one, and I'm going to click update. So now on this page, what's gonna happen is when I play, there are a few things that are happening. First, when I move a seek, I have a thumbnail. Those thumbnails are being generated through the video, so they will be updated over time. And now I have option to speed up the video. And in settings quality, my default quality is 480p. I have option for full screen. And the main thing is there is no download button. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to change, for example, my default player behavior. So I can go back to Publitio, I can go into players and select my landing pages player. So the main thing is I want to force highest possible quality for my course. So it's going to be 180. I don't need thumbnail seek, and I don't want to have playback speed. Okay, so I'm going to disable it. I don't want to loop a video, I don't want to add any ads, I don't want to change the player size. I'm just going to leave it as a responsive, and I'm going to click an update. So when I go back and I refresh the page, when I play the video, as you can see, there is no more seek bar. My default quality of the video is 180p. and there is no speed up for the video. Now the bad side with LearnDash is if I go back into my files and I copy URL and I want to try to apply it through video progression, unfortunately that does not work. So when you see go back here, there's absolutely nothing happening. That's unfortunately due to their support for video providers. I absolutely have no idea why they provide, for example, Amazon S3, and you can add local video, which basically has exactly same link as Publitio, but it does not work. So I will try to reach out to LearnDash team, and of course I see that they have added support for mplayer. You could technically use mplayer with Publitio together, or you can reach out to LearnDash team and ask them to explicitly in the future versions allow Publitio. So thank you for watching our LearnDash course, and let's complete our course. Yeah.